Magic Dragons online classroom. Let's learn! For this lesson, you will need something to write with and something to write on. Okay? Get that ready now and pause the video if you need to.
Hi everyone, and welcome to today's phonics lesson with me, Mrs. Boucher and Puffles. Today, which sound do you think we're going to be looking at? All of these graphemes make the same sound, but which sound is it?
Oh, I know. It's the A sound. May I play? Snail in the rain and make a cake, my favourite. I love cake. How do we spell these sounds? A-Y, A-I, and what's this called again? Oh yes, it's a split digraph. A with a letter in between and then the letter E at the end to make the short A into a long A sound.
That's right, Puffles. Now, depending on which grapheme we use, they go at a different place in words. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
So let's have a look at some A words today and see where they go in our words. Can you think of any A words for our whiteboard? Let's have a look around the house and see what we can find. Wow, Bubbles, look at all the amazing A things you found. We've got some spray. Ooh. We've got a game. A game. We played this at Christmas, didn't we, Puffles?
We sure did.
Puffles' favourite now. We've got a...
It's a cake.
Later, you can have it later. And it was all sat on a tray. Hey, what's this one, Puffles?
It says tail. It's my tail.
Very good. Now we have to write these words on our whiteboards. Can you make your piece of paper or whatever you're writing on look like this for me? A, and A, with lines in between. Then we are going to write those words in the correct column. Okay, so let's take another look at our words from our tray. Tray. Where did tray go? Tray. Write it in the correct column. We also had Puffles' tail. Tail. Where would that go on our whiteboard? Then we had spray. Pop it in the correct column. Next, we have Puffles' favourite,
Cake. Cake.
Then we have game, a game. Your board now should look just like this.
That's magic.
Isn't it just, Puffles? So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A words on your board. Your next challenge is to think of some more A words. But I'm going to give you a little clue first. So if we look at our AY words, where does the A sound come? Have a look.
Oh, it comes at the end of the word.
That's right. The Y often likes to be at the end of words. Not always, but often. What about the AI as in tail?
Oh, that's in the middle.
Yeah, and that's usually where the AI comes. What about the split digraph?
That's usually at the end as well.
It is, not always, but usually. So that can give you a little bit of a clue. Let's see how many A words you can think of. I wonder if you'll get as many as me and Puffles.
Beep bop, beep bop, boom, well, beep bop, boom, young and through the maluma, said beep bop, boom, like a flower in bloom, I said beep bop, boom, I bet you're gonna be doomed, I said beep bop, boom, well, beep bop, boom, yes, I know how to rock, I said beep bop, bop, give me such a shock, I said beep bop, bop, love the way you walk, I said beep bop, boom, get it!
Look at all the A words we came up with, Puffles.
Wow, we found loads.
Did you find any the same as us? If you did, you can give yourselves a tick. Let's have a look. In our AY column, we got spray, tray, day, may, play, and away. In our AI column, we got tail, snail, rain, train, and mail. In our split digraph column, we got cake, game, snake, awake, flame, and shape. Well done, everyone, for learning your A phonemes and the different graphemes that go along with them. I wonder which sound we'll learn about next time. Bye!
Proof of the Magic Dragons online classroom. Let's learn.